In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Copilot history with a simple and easy guide. If you've ever wondered how to clear your tracks on Microsoft Copilot, you're in the right place. Let's get started and make sure your history is wiped clean. First, you need to open up your favorite web browser. Google is a solid choice. And head on over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, all you have to do is type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results, and what you're looking for is the official Microsoft Copilot website. Go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you to the landing page of Microsoft Copilot. Now that you're on the Microsoft Copilot website, let's move to the bottom left-hand side of your screen where you will see your profile icon. Click on this icon and a menu will appear. This menu gives you several options to manage your account settings. The next step is to click on your name within this drop-down menu. This might seem like a redundant step, but it's crucial for getting to the right settings. After clicking your name, you'll be taken directly to your account settings page. Here, you'll need to look for the privacy option. Once you spot it, click on privacy, and this will navigate you to another section specifically designed to handle your personal settings and data privacy. Okay, now here's the really important part: clearing your history. Within the privacy settings, there will be an option labeled Clear History. This button is your friend today, and it's what you'll need to click on to proceed with deleting your Microsoft Copilot history. Take a moment here to ensure you're ready to clear everything, as this action might be irreversible in some cases. Once you've hit the Clear History button, there will be a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. This is just Microsoft's way of making sure you're absolutely certain about your choice. Go ahead and confirm, and congratulations! You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Copilot history. Keep in mind that managing your history and privacy settings is a good habit to cultivate. It not only helps in maintaining your privacy, but also keeps your account tidied up. If any of these steps seem tricky, feel free to pause the video or go back over specific parts to ensure you're following along correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.